Need to send money to family or friends in Pakistan? Here's a simple guide on how to do it using Botim for your transfers. First, open the Botim app and ensure your wallet is funded and your identity is fully verified. This is a required step for sending money. Navigate to the Botim Wallet or money transfer section within the app. Look for the option to send abroad or international transfer and select Pakistan as the destination country. You will need the recipient's details in Pakistan. This is typically their bank account information or, for cash pickup, their full name and city. Enter the amount you wish to send in dirhams or dollars. The app will automatically show you the converted amount in Pakistani rupees, along with the transfer fee and the exchange rate. Review everything carefully. Confirm the transaction. You will likely need to enter a one-time password to authorize the transfer. Please note that processing times and fees can vary. Transfers can be instant or take a few business days. Always double-check the recipient's details. Once confirmed, the money will be on its way to Pakistan.